guys, it's Nico. I'm literally so excited by just the three things I have in front of me, and so hopefully this won't be long, but I haven't seen anybody open these yet, I don't think. So I'm really excited to do that, and I don't know if I've seen anybody open this guy either. So this was, here, we'll do this one first. So this was a Pucky Love Across Galaxies blister pack, and you can already see him. He's so cute. Or maybe it's a she. We don't know. What's it say? Is this a actual like battery operated? Because there is something in there that's saying that. Let's see if I can get this open real quick. I do think it comes with a dust cover. Oh, there it goes. It just opened right up. Let's see. So it comes with this. We'll open this up, and then here is our Pucky. Let's put that over here. Oh my gosh, so soft, guys. Oh my goodness, adorable. Look, oh, it does have like something in it. So look how cute. And it is the new lanyard style. So with the little clasp up here. So they've made it more secure, and just the little feet are so cute. Look at that, there's a heart. And then what is that on that side? Not sure, but so fuzzy. Okay, there's something back here, so we can open this up, and I can feel me tapping on something here. So let's see what we got. If I can get it open with my nails. Okay, so let's pull this out and let's see what it does. I guess I did not know. Does it light up? I'm not entirely sure, to be honest with you. Here, let's close her back up. And I just love the rainbow colors. Obviously, this was for Pride Month, I'm assuming. Oh my gosh, look at the face though, just so adorable. I'm not sure how our Pucky lights up. So, oh, we'll make a sound. So it's another tap one? Wait, let's, oh! I thought maybe she lit up. That's cute. Oh my gosh, adorable. So a different sound. Okay, let's see what's in the little bag. I think this is our dust cover, which if you guys hadn't realized it before, that other blister packs, plush, sometimes come with, or most of the time come with a dust cover, which I had no idea. So this is really nice. This is the cloth, the Love Across Galaxies, and then this is the back, and it does close, so you can keep her in there to keep her safe. Oh, that's cute. There's a little Pucky rainbow little tag on that side. So adorable. I think when I got the Molly 20th anniversary, I'm pretty sure I threw mine away because it was like in the bottom of the box. So, okay, let's open up our two little Peach Riot. These are like it's called Carry the Music, and they're a little block pendant. I'm super excited to see these. There are 6 different ones. So there's Poppy Producer, Poppy Cozy Nook, Gigi in the Studio, Gigi After Hours, Frankie Jam Sesh, and Frankie Day Off. So like there's one, you know, that's like in the studio, and then one after hours basically. So, and there is a secret, and I will put that up on the screen for us. I'm super excited. So I did not get these pop now. I just ordered 2 of them, and I've got some other Peach Riot coming, but I'm assuming we have to build these. So this will probably take up, oh yeah, we got to build them. So let's see which one we got. Oh, we got Poppy. This one is Cozy Nook. So cute. Oh my gosh. I may not be able to do this with my nails. We will have to see. Okay. So it does come with stickers and all kinds of stuff. I don't know if I can get this open. Let me see here. So I might have to pause the video or like run through it real quick and try to build these. But so we have stickers, and then I believe This is the instructions. Yep. So let's see here. Oh my gosh. All right, let's, oh wow, there's even instructions on the back. This might take me a little bit, but let's, you know what we're gonna do? I think, yeah. So it has, oops, it's got one on here. So this is all one. And then this is two. And this has got to be three, I'm assuming. So yeah, this is our last one, but it also has her shirt in here. So let's get this stuff out. I could probably speed it up. This is our little carrying case with our little lanyard, or a little carabiner on the side here, if I can get it. There we go. And then this is what she's gonna look like at the end. Her little shirt popped out. Oh, it's got a little cat on it. So cute. Okay. Wonder how delicate we have to be with these guys. Because these are, I honestly thought that these were going to be bigger. So let's get all of our, this is all one, right? Yeah. Let's see if I can get this pushed forward a little bit and see if I can get all these out. All right, so we got some shoes. Put those there. Let's put that there. Let's put all of, so it looks like we have different, different hands. So let me put all of these in this area. Probably should keep them all separate. Yeah. So we do have different hands. I do think that it comes with the heart hands, which I adore. Let's see here. So all of our hands are on that side. Let's push this out of the way a little bit. Push those over here. Here is some other stuff. Oh, that's her body. Oh my gosh, she is tiny. This is her hair, it looks like, on this side. So hair, pigtail. Put these over here so we can see them. I'm glad I did these separate because guess what, guys? This is going to take me a little bit. And I'll probably fast forward through mainly the building of her. Unless you guys want to see it. Or I'll do one and then we'll just check out other one I got and then I will build that one off and come back. So that was one. Here is her face. I wonder if it matters how we build her. Because I'm assuming, so this is the back. And this goes in there like so, I believe. Maybe. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then I wonder if, wait, do I have her going the wrong way? No, I don't. Okay. And then this one goes in here. Am I holding her close enough so you guys can see this? This is like ball joint dolls all over again. But blocks. Oh my goodness. This is actually a really tight fit. Not wanting to fit in there great. Interesting. I'm trying to like push it in. I don't think it's wanting to go. This might be a non-nail activity, actually. There we go. Just needed a little, we need some little WD-40. Okay. I'm doing all this backwards. Okay. This is her body. Can you guys see how little this is? It's gonna take me forever, for sure. I'm probably doing this all wrong. Focus. All right, I think I got it. You really got to push it up in there. Probably why it wanted me to do it first. Ooh. It doesn't tell you how these go. All right, we're done with this one. All right, you guys, I am back, and I had to totally take off my nails for this, but let me tell you that this is the hardest thing that I have done in a long time. And I like Legos and stuff, but okay, so I left off with doing the Poppy. I finally got her all together. She fits in this little bag that you can hang on your bag. This is the back, so she does have her purse and stuff in there. And then the other one I got was Frankie, and this one was Frankie Day. Oh gosh. Just dropping everything. Frankie Day Off, which is super cute. However, she's supposed to be, so she has a lot more room in her bag. And if you can see, she's supposed to be holding her little Game Boy there, or little Nintendo Switch, whatever that is. I said Game Boy, but yeah, that's dating me. And then she has this little clock in there, which is upside down. And then, yeah, everything fell out basically, but she's got a cute little cat. She's got wearing headphones, and she does have a little ponytail sticking out. She's super cute. But yeah, I can't even begin to tell you how hard these were. I think what I would say is that I kind of want more. I don't know why. As painful as that was to get them, I will literally tell you that it took me a half hour to do both of these. But yeah, I kind of want to get Gigi. So I should have just bought the whole set. I don't know what's wrong with me. And suffered through it. But they are cute, amazing. Don't take them out of their bags once you put them in there. I mean, I'm sure you could glue their little accessories down so they'll stay in there better, especially because Frankie's moves around quite a bit, and you could probably glue her little Nintendo Switch or whatever it is into her hands. So, but yeah, I think that Poppy just has a lot more things in her bag that keeps her kind of in shape and stuff. So, but yeah, I do think as painful as these were, they are definitely cute. Definitely cute, because you have to put the doll in first and kind of arrange all this stuff, and then put the little cardboard on top of it, and then fit, it's in fours. And so I was just so worried of me putting it in there that I would happen to knock the doll loose, and that I did with the little Switch. But yeah, you can see a bunch of the stuff moving around in here. But I think, yeah, I might have to glue some of this stuff down. So after all, they're super cute, and I'm glad that I got them. And then here is our little Pucky. Making a little bell sound, just love. And yeah, you can see that I like tore off most of my nails, like at least these 3 to get at this stuff. So they're looking pretty nasty right now and I got to redo them. But yeah, awesome. I'm glad I got them, and that was the end of the video. So give it a like if you liked it, and yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. See ya.